ladies, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, in today's video I am with a visitor, my sister. She came all the way from Doha, Qatar to the UK to see me, guys. And I was like, nah. See, you are a nurse, you are working in the healthcare sector in Qatar. A lot of my followers are interested to move to Qatar, and they are nurses, some are doctors, some are healthcare assistants, some are allied health professionals. Please let it come from the horse's mouth. Yeah, she's a practicing nurse, a big one, oh, a matron, guys. This woman here is a matron in Qatar. Oh. My level, no, they her level.
Hey, Ada,
so guys,
keep hyping me.
She's working in one of the biggest hospitals in Qatar, and I was like, sis, come please tell us, how do people get these jobs? You are in a big hospital. How do people migrate to Qatar legally without breaking the bank? So guys, if you are interested in moving to Qatar as a healthcare professional, this video is for you. You know, Mama P, I know the hype nonsense, right? We are here to spill the truth. So sit back, relax, get your popcorn and Pepsi. It's about to go down. You know the energy. E for energy, guys. So sit back and listen to how she will guide you on how to land to Qatar as a health professional, no matter your sector, legally, direct to the hospital. This one will not be cho, not be kona. If you know what I mean. So guys, let's allow our visitor to introduce herself, and then we take it off from here. By the way, if you are seeing me for the first time, I am Adeze. On this channel, I create content on how you move abroad to your dream country. So if this is what you want to watch, stick back with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share. Remember, we rise by lifting others. So, Modesta.
Hey.
Metron. Coco Mama. Coco Mama. Guys, on YouTube, she's being called Coco Mama. If I say Coco, you say
Mama. AKA Coco Korokoro. You come for me, I come for you. God go
So guys, you see the energy, right? You see the energy. You know they carry last. So guys, let's give her the platform.
Yes, guys. Hello, Ada King's family. This is Coco Mama here. My name is actually Modesta, but on YouTube I am Coco Mama. Do check me out and subscribe to the channel. So today I came to see my sister. It's been long. Hey, Ada, I just quickly want you guys to say thank you to her. I've been enjoying myself. I pinch myself. I say, well, come and see Achicha. Ada, hey, Ada, you can cook. Your mama trained you well. I've been enjoying myself. Come and see, confirm. What do you call this one? Offense, salary, rishi. Different, assorted. Hey. Ada, thank you so much. So, guys, disclaimer, I just want to quickly say something here. I'm not immigration officer, and I'm not a recruitment officer. So the information I'm sharing here is what actually worked for me, like what Ada said. Now, this is also on you to make sure that you verify and make sure you don't enter one chat. You understand? So if you are interested as a nurse, let me say as a healthcare worker, you are interested to move to Qatar, you are interested to work in Qatar, number one thing is make sure you get through the agents. Okay, we have agencies direct. You can get a job directly, but number one, you have to be in the country. But again, if you are a visitor, you are not allowed to work. So the best practice is you are already experienced where you are. Let's say you are in Nigeria, you are in Ghana, you are anywhere you are, and you are interested. You are on job already. Now, you have to look at who is recruiting and verify that you are not dealing with 419ers. Because not all agencies out there are legit. There are so many fake people that will claim that they are bringing people. So number one, go through the agents, find out the requirements that you need. The hospital, of course, the agents will tell you who is hiring. Oh, this hospital, so hospital is hiring, they need, and they look at your qualification if you are actually qualified. Now, the agent, through the agency, they will be able to help you write your exam, because you know already, this applies everywhere, I think, Ada. You cannot practice as a healthcare worker in any country if you are not licensed in your home country and also that country that you are showing interest to work. You have to go through their board exams. Some hospitals, okay, if they have hired you, you will actually get the job and then they assist you. That's the good thing. I've seen this a lot, okay, in the Middle East. I think in other places you have to do the licensing first before you apply for a job. In the Middle East, sometimes your employer will show interest because they know that you are a nurse already. They will verify your qualification back home, and once they verify that, okay, you are a nurse, they will actually give you the job offer, hire you, and now help you get their home country license. I don't know if I'm making sense. So once you have that, the next thing is for them to help you apply for a work permit through their immigration. Yani, your own is just to get through the right channel and everything. Will I say that actually your employer will assist you with immigration to make sure that you get at least you don't resign. Like, they will even encourage you, okay, we've hired you, you've seen the offer letter, you are happy with the salary, don't sign, because they let you reply back to sign them that, okay, I'm happy with how much you agreed to pay me. Some during interview they will ask you how much you are earning, so they kind of mark it up a little bit so that this will push you. This will be like a push that will let you resign from your job back home and be like, you know what, since I'm earning this amount of money in the hospital where I'm working and this employer agreed to pay me double, I'm leaving, I'm resigning. But they will encourage you not to resign because immigration, again, it depends on the time of the month. During Ramadan, during fasting time, immigration process will take longer because they don't work full capacity that time. They will encourage you not to resign from your job, even though you have gotten the offer letter, you accepted the offer, you negotiated and you're happy, you signed and everything, until you get your visa, which is work visa. This work visa is 3 months. Once you come in, it's converted to resident permit, okay, and every other thing follows, like orientation, allocating you to the ward or where you're gonna work. But before you come to the Middle East, you must have license of the country. You must be licensed. Aside from your own license, you must be licensed to work here, and you must pass. There's an exam we call prometrics, okay? You have to write that exam. If you are locally hired, you can actually do it on your own. So when you approach your employer or you're looking for a job, you already have prometrics. Actually, it can help you get a job. I've seen people coming in, maybe their husband is in the country and they're nurses. They come in, when they join, they write the exam. At least you should have something. This is your
evidence
that, okay, I'm a nurse, I've done promet. Because before you write that prometric exam, your home license, your home qualification will be evaluated and everything to make sure that you don't just show up and claim that you are a nurse, which is very
understandable.
Yeah, this is common practice everywhere. So that is this thing here. Can you get a job here directly from the hospital, like applying online? Why not? If not, but it's not really some. If you go to the hospital, you know the hospital already. When you submit application online, it all depends on your luck. You can actually get the job, but the quickest and the fastest one is to go through the agencies. Do we have these agencies in Nigeria? I'm going to talk about Nigerians because, of course, this is the country where I come from. Do we have them? We have them, but very, very limited. Unlike places like South Africa, I didn't apply for a job in the Middle East from Nigeria directly. And that's why I will always make it clear. So that if you have heard me saying this, you will not be like, oh, but you told us that we should go through agencies. So this guy told me that he's an agent and he has taken a lot of people to Middle East to work. No. So you have to make sure that you are at the right hand so that people will not chow your money. Don't just believe anybody. Go through the comments, make sure you, in fact, not just reading reviews and all that, make sure you evaluate and check the authenticity of whoever that is providing information to you that he's an agent and he can bring you to Middle East, because the person might actually start asking you for money. And most of these agent guys, okay, the ones that I used, they are in South Africa. Most of these agent guys or these agencies will not ask you for a dime. Actually, all you need to do is to provide all the information, medical, your certificate, authenticated one. They do the evaluation on their own. You pay nothing, including medicals. You actually, even your ticket, your employer will cover that. You basically only pay for your medicals. Like if you need to do some labs, chest x-ray and all that, that's the only time. And most companies, again, if you have paid for your medicals, when you come over, they reimburse you with receipt. You show proof that you sponsored and you paid for all this. They reimburse you and pay you back. So when you see someone who is an agent claiming that the person is going to help you get a job in the Middle East, number one sign is when the person start asking you, pay me 1 million naira, pay me 2 million naira, definitely this person will likely be a scammer. Because in the Middle East, in the Middle East, the most agencies, the hospital actually have, what do you call it? Collaborate. They actually work with the hospitals.
Yeah, they work with the hospitals.
So they bring workers to the hospital and the hospital pay them.
Yeah.
Am I right? So this is it. Yeah. You are not actually supposed to pay. All you need to do is to find them, show interest, and you must be qualified.
Is there any agency you know about, know their name at all? Maybe they don't do their research?
Yes. I'm going to talk about the agencies. I've used 2 agencies. When I got my first job in the Middle East, in Saudi Arabia, I used Thymic Connection. They're on Facebook. Thymic, T-Y.
I'll type it on the screen. No need.
Thymic Connection. T-Y.
Okay.
T-H-Y-M-I-C Connection.
I will type it on the screen.
And there's another one we call Symbiosis. So these 2 agencies, they're in South Africa and still functional.
Okay.
They can hire you
from anywhere.
But I believe if you are in South Africa, it's gonna for sure be quick. But why not? They can hire you even from Nigeria, so long as you are met their
requirements.
Yeah. So these agencies can take you to Dubai. They are covering the whole Middle East. They can take you to Dubai depending on the hospital that they are working with and the hospital, what the hospital wants, and you are qualified. Yeah.
Okay.
In Nigeria, there's one agency for Saudi Arabia, but I forgot the name of that agency. That's the only one that I know, but I didn't use them. But I know that this is what they are doing. They are recruiting nurses from Nigeria to Saudi Arabia. It's only Saudi Arabia. Okay. Whether they are covering other hospitals, I don't know. But they are not really big like these other South African agencies or agents. Yeah.
All right, guys, you have heard from the horse's mouth. You have heard from our matron, our able matron, Coco Mama. Guys, by the way, she's on YouTube as Coco Mama. All right. Yeah. Please, I will drop her channel on the screen. I will also drop her link in the description box of this video so that you can follow her and learn more about moving to Qatar, becoming a nurse, and other content that she does.
Actually, they can reach me out because my content is more on reaction.
Okay, so you can reach her out.
I do travel content, like the way I am here. Okay. I'll be showing my lifestyle. Basically, I do cooking, lifestyle, reaction mainly. Okay, like 80% of my content is more on reaction. So, but they can reach out to me on IG at Ebere Hills. For more information, or if you need
I'll put her IG. Okay, if they want help, right?
Yeah, if they want to ask me more question on finding a job.
Okay, so guys, if you want to if you want to ask her questions, or you find an agent, you want to make sure they are legit and all that, her Instagram handle is at Ebere Hills. I'll write it on the screen. So guys, reach out to her, she will put you through. Yeah. But then I have some list of hospitals in Qatar that you can also go to directly and apply while you try to go to agents. I have Hamad Medical Corporation, guys.
That's the biggest.
This is the biggest hospital, and this is where I worked in Qatar, guys. We have the Doha Clinic Hospital. We have the Al Hilli Hospital. I'm calling it on the screen because, guys, no need to share screen in this video. Okay. Brahim Medical, Rumaila Hospital, Aspeta Orthopedic, Women's Hospital, House of Nature. Guys, guess what? They are too much, guys. They are too plenty. We have Sidra Hospital, Qatar Prime Dental Center, a lot of them. So what I'm going to do is that I will make a list and drop it in the description box of this video. So make sure you are going to the description box to get the full list of the hospitals in
you can
Qatar.
apply directly.
Yeah, you can apply directly.
Never undermine what you are capable
exactly.
of doing.
So
you
go to their so go to their job sites and apply directly to them. Qatar is an amazing country to live in. Trust me, I've lived there.
And it will open other doors for you. That's
it will
one
open
thing.
other doors for
Just
you.
look at other things. You know, there's something you just shared, and I'm gonna tell your audience. There's something you said. You said that nobody helped you. You didn't use any agency.
Yeah.
She said she just got the internet and she started
make use of the internet. Yeah, they know about my story already. They know my story. Those of them.
So that really caught me.
Yeah. So guys, that's the honest truth here. So you have to go to their job sites, to the hospital direct, and try before you start going to agents. But Modesta here is happy to put you through if you don't mind. So always reach out to her on Instagram at Ebere Hills, and she will comfortably put you through. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. We have gotten all the gist. So if you're interested in moving to Qatar, this is your call to take that move. We have someone already there working in the hospitals that is happy to give you any information you need. But guys, do go to her channel, subscribe, and show her support. It's not easy for someone to come here and share information with you. Some people are going to get keep, but here we don't do that. We don't do that. We always bring information, legit information, to your doorstep as the heart, guys. So please show us love. Thank you, besties, for watching today's video.
Thank you so much.
I will see you in our next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not. Like this video and share it to including your village people. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, besties. Bye.